Hi guys, the UK has TY Teeny Beanie Boo's Happy Meal toys for the holiday season of December 2020. So here is the TY Teeny Beanie Boo Happy Meal box. It says that you can add a personal stamp to their Christmas presents with this pop-out gift tag on their Happy Meal box. It says Happy Meal instead of Happy Meal. And then it says Meet the TY Gang. It shows 4 different toys over here, but there are 10 different ones you could collect. And these are all plush toys. So here are the 4 designs that we see over here. They seem like they're mythical creatures. And you could either choose a book or toy, and they have games in the Happy Meal app, which used to be called McPlay, or I think Happy Studio in the UK. So these are the only toys they show, and they also show some over here. They all look pretty cute. And McDonald's has had a lot of TY Happy Meal toys in the past, as you could see over here. And I even made a video of a 2014 toy versus 2017 in the US. So here are some TY videos. Here's a fun video from 2017, which you could check out on my channel. I've opened a bunch of these on my channel, including 2014, 2017. This is last year. But anyways, you could check out all of this on my channel. You can check out some of these other channels, and please help these reach 1,000 subscribers. I'm currently doing daily December, so I'm posting a video every single day in December until New Year's. Here are my videos from the last few days. And I also have a poll on my channel for what videos you would like to see me make next. So far, Happy Meal predictions are winning. While you're waiting, you can also check out almost 800 Happy Meal toy videos in my Happy Meal playlist right over here. I'll probably reach 800 by the time 2021 starts. I can almost guarantee it. You can also check out my Instagram at TixDoToyTime and my TikTok at Ultimate. I really like some of the videos I posted here, so be sure to check it out. And you could direct message me on TikTok or Instagram if you would like, and I'll probably respond. And anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I just made this video, so you could also check this out on my channel as well.